The spine, your solid pillar of strength in standing tall and moving freely. Dealing daily with the ongoing effects of gravity, the sedentary hours, the repetitive strains and postures that misalign your sacred axis. Tiring and weakening under the weight of physical burdens, the invisible load of emotional holding, and gradual degenerative effects. A miraculous marvel allowing you to bend, twist, and rise, housing the great river of nerves while standing as the bridge between earth and sky. Each part designed to play a critical role in the architecture of your whole being. I am Leopold, a healer from the other side, and it's my privilege to bring this healing experience to you. Let me bring beautiful healing energy from the other side to repair, strengthen, and nourish your spine. It is no coincidence that brought you to this healing experience. You are here because you need it. To apply this healing experience for your spine to best effect, it's good to have a basic understanding of the structure of the spine itself, to enable you to journey around and through the spine, leading the healing energy to where your spine needs it most. Energy follows the awareness, or, as is often said in Chinese medicine, the qi, or energy, follows the yi, or intention. The images on your screen now show the spine and its structures, from the tailbone to the skull, to familiarize you with the basic anatomy of your luminous central pillar. Pause the video and familiarize yourself with the spine's anatomy if you wish before proceeding. When you are ready, I will lead you through this mystical energy healing experience. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. It is best to wear clothing that is comfortable. When your healing experience begins, you can either keep your eyes open or have your eyes closed. There will be images of the various structures of your spine as healing progresses. However, you do not need to look at any screen during your healing experience. The beautiful healing energy will align with you wherever you are. Pause your video and settle yourself by taking a few deep inhalations and exhalations. When you are ready, restart your video. The beautiful healing session begins in 10 seconds. Close or relax your eyes and let the world beyond your eyelids fall away. Feel the quiet, knowing rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. In and out. Each breath is a sigh of the earth. Each exhale releases all that has been held too long, melting away like ancient snow beneath a spring sun. Today, we journey into the sacred temple of your spine, your inner axis mundi, your pillar of light, blessing each vertebra, disc, and nerve with this golden light, dissolving all that no longer serves you, and awakening perfect, upright freedom. Let us begin. Envision a radiant golden sphere of light, the color of Manuka honey, thick and luminous, spinning just above your crown. This is healing energy, pure and divine, shimmering with the power to restore, renew, and revitalize. With your next inhale, draw this golden light down through your body, filling every cell with its warmth. Feel it pooling around you, forming a protective auric field, a shimmering cocoon of safety and peace. Bring your awareness to the individual vertebrae of your spine, the 33 sacred stones stacked in perfect, sinuous alignment from tail to skull. Feel their weight, their silent, steadfast presence. Breathe golden light into each one, starting at the coccyx, that tiny tail of memory, washing it in honeyed radiance. Now let the light rise into the sacrum, the sacred triangular keystone at the base of your spine. Feel its 5 fused vertebrae, welded by time and purpose, forming the holy basin that anchors your pelvis. Breathe golden light into this shield of bone. Sense it softening, releasing any stored tension, any locked-in memory of old falls or old fears. The sacrum now glows like a warm amber lantern, the foundation stone of your sacred architecture. Slowly, the light ascends into the 5 lumbar vertebrae, the great, generous pillars of the lower back. Feel their thick, sturdy bodies, designed to bear your burdens and bend with your life. Breathe golden light into each one, L1 through L5. Watch the light flood through the dense bone, soothing any ache, dissolving any compression, releasing any story of over-responsibility you have carried here. These mighty vertebrae now radiate strength without strain, resilience without rigidity. They are the powerful roots of your upright freedom. Continue upward now into the 12 thoracic vertebrae, the long, elegant chain that houses the breath of life. Feel the gentle rotation of T1 through T12, each one articulating with a pair of ribs, forming a protective cage around your heart and lungs. Breathe golden light into each thoracic segment. Sense the light softening any stiffness between the shoulder blades, melting any grief held in the mid-back, warming any places that have felt cold or guarded. The thoracic spine now moves with fluid grace, a flexible armor of light, guarding your most sacred organs with tenderness. Finally, let the golden light pour into the 7 cervical vertebrae, the graceful, slender tower of the neck. Feel C1 through C7, delicate yet mighty, cradling the bridge between heart and mind. Breathe light into the atlas, the first vertebra, named for the one who holds the world. Feel it balancing your head with effortless poise. The axis follows, your pivot of perception, turning your gaze with ease. The remaining 5 now drink in the honeyed warmth, releasing any tension from screens, from stress, and from the weight of unspoken words. Your neck is now a column of luminous freedom, a stem of golden light supporting the bloom of your consciousness. Vertebra by vertebra, you have climbed the sacred stairway. Feel the light seep into the bone, into the marrow, strengthening and purifying. Any density, any old injury, any silent brittleness softens and remodels into living gold. Exhale ancestral burdens. Inhale structural grace. Your entire spine now glows like a strand of luminous pearls, each one perfectly placed, perfectly resilient. Pause, sensing the entire gentle, glowing column. Shift your focus to the intervertebral discs, those silken, gel-filled cushions that float between each vertebra, the spacers of grace. Feel their quiet, shock-absorbing magic. Bathe them in golden light. Sense the vibration as the light plumps each disc with liquid radiance. Visualize any thinning, any bulge, any dehydration melting away, replaced by supple, hydrated, crystalline fluid. They become plump as new moons, resilient as living springs of light. Breathe out compression, breathe in spaciousness. Your discs are now circles of golden light, creating sacred space between each bone. Pause, acknowledging the space and buoyancy. Now, journey inward to the spinal cord, the shimmering river of nerves that runs within the sacred canal. Feel it as a living serpent of light, descending from your brain and branching outward through the foramina. Flood this central channel with golden light. Watch it cascade down like a waterfall of honey, repairing any frayed myelin, soothing any inflamed nerve root. The light travels out each branching nerve into your arms, your legs, your organs, a tree of luminous communication. Exhale any pinching, any static. Inhale clear, uninterrupted flow. Your nervous system is now a web of lightning and gold, transmitting only peace. Feel the calm, radiant tingle from root to crown. Call now upon the wisdom of the spinal curves. The cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral arcs that form a sacred bow of balance. Feel the way they spiral and support, like the arch of a mighty bridge between earth and sky. Pour golden light into these graceful curves. Watch the light untether any holding pattern, any old tension that has pulled you out of alignment. See your spine gently, naturally, realigning into its perfect, effortless plumb line. The head floats, the shoulders release, the pelvis grounds. Breathe into this divine architecture. Exhale any distortion. Your spine is now a living bow, ready to shoot the arrow of your spirit into the infinite. Pause as you sense lightness and perfect uprightness. Turn your attention now to the subtle spheres of light that spin along your spinal column. The root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. Feel them as 7 beautiful lotuses blooming along your inner axis. Infuse each with strands of golden light energy. Watch as any blockages dissolve, any dimness brightens. The red root becomes molten gold. The orange sacral glows like amber. The yellow solar plexus blazes like a honeyed sun. The green heart turns to liquid emerald gold. The blue throat becomes a sapphire flame. The indigo brow shines like a star. The violet crown opens as a 1,000-petaled lotus of pure light. Breathe in alignment. Exhale separation. Your spine is now a staff of iridescent light, each chakra a jewel in the crown of your being. Inhale, feeling the full, aligned rainbow. Step back and behold your spine. Whole, radiant, a pillar of pulsing golden light from earth to heaven. Every bone, disc, nerve, and energy center harmonizes in divine order. You are perfectly supported. You are the bridge between worlds. Whisper thanks to this precious axis for carrying you through every step, for holding you upright in joy and sorrow, for the sacred fire it shields. Your spine is your inner world tree, your connection to the stars. When you're ready, gently return to the room, carrying this luminous staff within you. Your spine is free. Your spine is healed. So it is.